Hello everyone, it's good to have you again on this channel. This is Market Formula. I welcome you into 2024. Happy New Year to you all. Thank you for joining me on this channel. We are going to be looking at the whole share index of the Nigerian stock market in the year 2023. 2023 was full of opportunities, and then year 2024 has also come with its own opportunities. So let's look into the chart and see what the possibilities are for 2024. In 1 year, the market has gained over 50%. Is the market still going up, or is the market going to retrace? From what I'm looking at on the chart, this is another breakout of an ascending channel. So since we have a breakout of an ascending channel, what I like to do is to extend my channel again. Let's see, this is another resistance that was broken. So if this resistance was broken, I have a higher high here, then the lows are connected. I can also see that there is a higher high here. This high is higher than this high, and this low can also be connected. So I can come here and connect these lows for another internal channel. So this is another internal channel. For extension, I can use this as another channel. So the market still has room to go higher. We still have this trend line to be tested, and this is also another ascending trend line. So let me look at 3 months chart. Looking at the 3 months chart, you see that the market has also broken out of the last year high. So this is a sign that the market is going higher. So this is a sign that the market is going higher. But how far can this market go? Let's look at our support and resistance. If I'm looking at this resistance here, I'm looking at this support here, I can use it to draw my Fibonacci extension. Let's see where the market is most likely going to find some resistance. So from here, I can see that the market can find resistance at 85,000 basis points. Another extension is at 110,000 basis points. So when there is a breakout here, we are going here. But let's see what happens as we go in the year. But most likely, the market might react to this 85,000 basis point, and we might see some pullback for a fresh entry. Let me step it down to the monthly. Okay, you can see that this is a strong breakout. This is a strong breakout. That's a strong breakout facing the 85,000 resistance. On the weekly, you can see that it's also confirmed that the market is facing another resistance at that level. So after So let's see where the opportunities are in the year 2024. From my list here, the first stock that I'm looking at Calgary. I'm looking at Calgary. Calgary. So what's happening to Calgary? Calgary. Let me check it on the monthly. Calgary is a good stock to buy. Looking at this high from this low, we are currently at the neckline. When there is a breakout here, we are facing this place. If there is a breakout here, we are facing, this is 50% retracement. If you have Calgary, is a good stock for you to hold. And if you are looking for a fresh entry, I would advise that you get your entry around, you can get your entry around the low of last month, which is also a very good price, around 14 naira 30 kobo. That's a very good entry for this particular stock. But from what I'm looking at, Calgary is going up, is going back up, and there is every possibility that that stock can go back to 71 kobo. All right, that's for Calgary. Let's look at international brewery. International brewery. All right, international brewery is still trapped in a range. Trapped in a range. Let me check the monthly. Okay, international beauty, I think at this current price is a very good buy. We are actually channel, in a channel. Yes, we are actually in a channel. And last month was a bullish month. So if you can get Calvary at around 4 naira, if you can get international beauty at around 4 naira 20, 24, 25, I think is a good buy. NCR, let me see the stock NCR. For NCR, let me look at the 3 month chart. You can see this downtrend is already broken. This an engulfing, so it's also a very good stock that you can buy. The best entry for this stock might be the low of last month, which is around 3 naira 40 kobo. Let's see how far I can push. Let me measure my retracement. Measure retracement. The first level where the price will react to is at 6 naira 30 kobo. There is a break of that. This we are going to 9 naira, but this might take the whole of 2024 to achieve this. And who knows, anything can happen and push the price as fast as possible. But from what I'm looking at on this chart, NCR is a good buy. Let's look at Ohando. For Ohando is already picking up. Let me see where the entries can be. Last month was a bearish month. So because it's a bearish month, let's see where we can enter. I doubt if we can get it at around 10 naira, but if you can pick this stock at around 10 naira, is a good entry because it is a former resistance. This is a former support. Former support came back for a resistance, then there is a break. So from here, let me just draw the pattern that is going to follow. Going to follow something like this back to 24 naira, 28 naira, thereabout. But from what I'm looking at, this is a good buy. This is a good buy for Orlando. Let's look at flour mill. All right, for flour mill is already extended. I would prefer that we wait for either price come to like 30 naira for an entry. There are rejection at this level. The price came here for a rejection, so I don't think I'll advise that we pick this stock until there is a clear break of this resistance. Let me bring it to the monthly so that we can understand what I'm saying. You see, until there's a clear break of this resistance zone, 30 naira, 35, 36, 35 naira. But I think we should just leave this one out. It's not very clear. That's for flour mill. Let's leave that flour mill out. Then we have the Unilever. All right, Unilever is very good stock to buy now. This is the midpoint of the channel, and from what I'm looking at on 3 months chart, it's still very, 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 very cheap. This is a support that was turned to resistance. So, but from what I'm looking at, momentum has been building. And anytime I find that the momentum is building this way, is going to be a strong breakout. So, if you are looking for entry in Unilever, if you can get it at 13 naira 50 kobo, 13 naira 80 kobo, that would be a good entry for you. We have Enna Mewa. Let me check this one. I don't know what that stock is. Enna Mewa, Nigerian Mewa. Okay. Let's see whether we can get entry for this stock. Let's leave this one out. Livestock feed. Okay, livestock feed did not pull back. Wow, we are too close to a resistance. Let's leave that one too. FTN cocoa. FTN. Okay, for FTN cocoa. For FTN cocoa, if you can get FTN cocoa at 1 naira 50 kobo, it's a good buy. Honey flour. Honey flour is too close to a resistance. Let's leave that one out. Unity Bank. Unity Bank also broken out. Price is currently at 2 naira 30 kobo. And mind you, from here, from here to here, the rejection bar. So if you have Unity Bank, this is your target. Anything inside here is not safe. Anything can happen. The market might push it back. But from what I'm looking at, the momentum is strong. So it's possible that for the first quarter, this price might keep going up. For the first quarter, it might keep going up. In the next 3 months, it might still going up till March. So see what has happened. So if you want to enter this stock, I will not advise this price. If you can get it at around maybe 1 naira 60 kobo, it's good. Morrison. Morrison. No, Morrison is not good for any entry now. Royal Exchange. Royal Exchange. Okay. For Royal Exchange, you can get entry at 62 kobo. It's fine. But for there's still this rejection is too strong. This rejection is too strong. If you have it, you can take it to levels like maybe 1 naira 20 kobo. Anything in this zone is a rejection. When price comes into this place, there's higher probability that they are going to push it back. That's what is happening there. So we have RT Briscoe. All right, RT Briscoe. If you get entry for RT Briscoe at around 50 kobo, it's good. There's higher probability that the market can even get back to this place. Let me use my Fibonacci. Okay, you can see the rejection here. So can get it for a little pullback, then fine. Then this is your first target, which is 1 naira. Then market can continue to climb. Maybe in the next 6 months, price can still be going up. Let's look at Julie Pharmacy, and that will be the last stock I'm going to look at. But Julie Pharmacy is too low. But from what I'm looking at, is forming a divergence here. Let me look at it on the weekly. Okay, I think it's a good buy at current price, 59 kobo. If you get it at this price or anything lower, maybe like 54, 50 kobo, is good. Just pick it up and hold it. From what I'm looking at on the higher time frame, price might go back to, let's say, the 50% retracement of this move from here and be somewhere around here. So price might get to 166 kobo. And that will be all for this video. Until next time when we meet again to see the possibility in the Nigerian stock market, I wish you all a very prosperous 2024. I say bye for now.